Want to edit your videos faster in VideoGen? In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use the right sidebar to control sections, assets, and editing settings. Before we start, you can visit VideoGen.io to follow along the steps. If you're watching on social media, you can find a link in the description. So, what is the right sidebar? The right sidebar is your editing control panel inside VideoGen. It automatically updates based on what you select in your project. This helps you stay focused and quickly access the controls you actually need. So, how does it work? When nothing is selected, the sidebar stays mostly empty. This means VideoGen is waiting for you to select something to edit. Once you click on a section, the sidebar updates with section controls. Here, you can preview the section, manage layers, duplicate scenes, reorder content, and more. This makes it easy to organize the structure of your video. You can also select individual assets like text, images, videos, or captions. When you do, the sidebar changes again to show controls specific to that asset. You can also select multiple assets at once to apply shared changes across all of them. This is useful for quickly updating fonts, spacing, positioning, and other settings in bulk. As you work, the sidebar updates instantly so you can make adjustments in real time. The right sidebar gives you a faster, cleaner way to control how your video looks and behaves. Thanks for watching. Now you're ready to edit more efficiently and stay focused while building your videos. Sign up and explore more tutorials on our YouTube channel or in the help docs.